Alright guys, this video is going to show you how to create your foldable. You need to make sure you're following step-by-step directions so that you do this correctly. You should start off by you have 4 pages for your foldable. This page is your cover page. This page that has the word customary on the side is going to be page 2. Metric on the side is going to be page 3. And then the 4th page is the one that says time. First thing you need to do is you need to trim your foldable. So with scissors, you can put them all together like this. You need to cut about, see my finger here, 1 finger length off so that this can fit in your foldable. So you're just going to cut, show you right here, straight up. Okay, so now it looks like this. See how much I have still right there. Then you need to cut some off the bottom. So this black line right here, you're going to cut right along that edge. And you can do this while all 4 of your papers are together. Hold them tightly so that it doesn't slide around. So then your foldable is going to look like this now. All right. Now you need to cut on the ones that have dotted lines. So that should be page 1 that looks like this, the dotted line there, the dotted line there. If you flip it, dotted line there on page 2. Page 3, dotted line there, dotted line there. Page 4, you do not cut anything on that. There are no dotted lines. So I'm actually just going to keep the 3 together. I took the time paper out. I'm going to cut up to the dotted lines, or up along the dotted line. I'm stopping at the black line right there. Cut up on that one, stopped at the black line. Okay, so now I'm putting all the pages together, including the time one. So 4 sheets like this. You're going to put 3 staples in, like a book. I'm out of staples, so we'll pretend they're staples. Staple here, staple in the center, staple on the end. All right, now it comes time to fill out your foldable. So you have this booklet. So the front cover page is where you can eventually just draw some pictures. So like length, maybe you would draw a ruler. Mass is like weight. Maybe you would draw a picture of a scale or a weight or something. Volume is like liquids, how much goes in a container. So maybe you would draw a picture of a cup, something like that. But we're not going to do the drawing right now. We have to fill out what goes inside the foldable first. All right. In your packet that you did your reading on and your discussion questions, the first 2 pages gave background information. The second page says the metric system at the top, okay, the metric system. And down here it says length, liquid volume, mass. Guess what? That matches length, liquid volume, and mass on this. This is for metric. So what you're going to end up doing is you are going to cut out these 3 separate things. So you're going to cut around length, liquid volume, and mass. In your foldable page, so pretend this is stapled, okay? This says customary along the side. Well, we don't want customary. We want the metric. This Faye's looking at me, okay? So metric, now the top one was length. So you have cut out these right here. So your length one right here, you cut that out and you are going to glue it on the length where it says metric. The top one is length. Then the middle one is mass. So when it says metric mass, you're going to glue the little table there. You're going to glue those in there. That way, instead of rewriting them, you can just glue them in. And then you would go do the same thing for the customary. You cut out each of the 3 tables and you glue them on page 2 is the customary page. So customary along the side, the top is length, mass, and then our liquid volume goes in the bottom. Time is the back page, okay? Read this little paragraph, and then the last page of your packet, there's a chart with the time stuff. Cut that out, glue that on the back page. Okay, so if you mess up, we have extra copies, but hopefully you have done this right. You can put this into your back of your black notebook when you're all done. If there's still time left in class, you may color decorate the front. Okay, good luck.